Welcome back to the class. Now we are looking into our derivative of trigonometry. Our trigonometry, where we have a sine, we have a cos, we have tan, we have a cot, we have a cosec, we have a cosec, we have sec as well. So now let's see how to find the derivative of each of all what we have mentioned. So we have derivative. Let's take it. Derivative of sine x. So derivative of sine x, we have, when you have the y, you have y equals to sine x. The y over the x. But if you differentiate sine x, you have cos x. You have cos x. So differentiating sine x will give us what? Cos x. So derivative of cos now, which is the reverse. So we have y equals to cos x. The y over the x of cos x will give us minus sine x. So derivative of tan x. So we have y equals to tan x. The y over the x will give us sec square x. Sec square x. So the derivative of sine x, if you differentiate sine x, you have cos x. Differentiate cos x, you have minus cos. Differentiate cos x, you have minus sine x. And when you differentiate tan x, you have sec square x. Sec square x. Sec square x. So note, sine x will give us cos x. Cos x will give you what? Minus sine x, and tan x will give us what? Sec square x. So these are things that you have to know. If you don't know this now, you can't solve any questions on derivatives of trigonometry, because you have to know and put that in your brain that sine x will give you what? Cos x. Cos x should give you what? Minus sine x. And tan x will give us what? Sec square x. Thanks for watching this video. In the next class, we'll be looking at how to find the derivative of other trigonometry. See you next class.